Here I have TCL 10 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. You have to open settings first, scroll down to the bottom, go to the system section, language and input, languages, add language. Here you can see the whole list of languages which you can set your device in. Let's select for example Ukrainian, and what you have to do next is to drag it on top and the language will change to the Ukrainian. If you want to change it back to English, you just go to the налаштування, системні, мова та ведення, мови, and drag English on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.